Guys, this is an absolutely spectacular example of finest one I've ever seen or ridden.
It's like the 1970s all over again. Remember that race? SXT125, baby. 2.6 miles on it. It looks like brand new. It runs like brand new because it is brand new. Better than brand new in every way, in every shape. Turn signals work beautifully. Left and right. Horn. High beam, low beam. Pure motorcycle perfection.
Guys, feast your eyes on the class of 1976. We've done hundreds of these classic Harleys since we opened the doors here 15 years ago. And this one here is on the podium as one of the nicest, if not the nicest. I'd put it on the top step as the nicest AMF Harley-Davidson two-stroke we've ever had through the shop. This one has been given a full concours level. That means every component, every piece of rubber, every piece of aluminum, every chrome item on this bike is better, as good or better than the day it came out of the box. Spectacular work. This is built by Bill Bucholz, aka Dr. Bill, for Roy Thacker as part of the Roy Thacker collection. It was an over 100 bike collection. Roy decided to sell the collection, and this bike right here, I'd call this more of this level of restoration on a scale of 1 to 10, this being an 11. This is more a work of art than it is a functional machine, but you can ride it. It runs perfect, runs as good as it did brand new. Everything works on it beautifully, and the attention to detail on it is absolutely exquisite. Took it right down to the frame, sandblasted, sanded the frame, 3 coats of paint, 6 coats of clear on the paint job on the frame and on the tank. The tank was wet sanded, buffed, just absolutely freaking beautiful, man. The tank inside and out is beautiful. The inside of the tank was cleaned with Metal Rescue and then acetone cleaned, and it's like brand new. Everything was done right. Look at the speedometer on this thing. 1.7 miles on a full frame off restoration. All the chrome on this bike is what's called triple chrome plated. That means it's sandblasted and then sanded and coated with copper, and then sanded or buffed, and then coated with zinc, and then coated with chrome. This triple chrome plated. There's a good, better, best you can get from the chrome plating shop. This is the best, and when you look closely, it's absolutely spectacular. So many restored bikes you'll see, they just steel wool the chrome to get the rust off of it, and it looks good from 10 feet. But this bike, the closer you get, the better it looks. It's absolutely freaking spectacular. Even chrome the foot pegs. Check it out. You can see the AMF Harley-Davidson logo on there. Just absolutely beautiful. Tyler had pointed out earlier, even these are the correct B-Tour stamped rubbers on the forks. All the rubber on the bike is new. The tires are new. All of the cables are new. The grips are new, reproduction grips. The chrome on even the little things, like all the bolts that were originally chromed got professionally chromed. The triple clamp in the head stay bolt was sent out, and the triple clamp was painted, and the bolts were polished. Everything is just restored to an absolutely spectacular speedometer. Looks like it just came out of the box. Even the writing on the gauges here, all the idiot lights work. It's about as good as I don't think you can find a better one than this, because, well, maybe there's one as nice as this out there, but it's certainly not going to be better. The shocks were dismantled and totally restored and chromed. Look at the finish on the swing arm. This is artwork right here. The all aluminum on the hubs. The wheels were completely dismantled. The hubs were polished. The brake backing plate was polished. The rims were triple chrome plated. New spokes were installed. The underside of the fender was restored. The look at the chrome on the turn signals in the back of the brake light. The license plate was a custom made by Roy for Roy by Dr. Bill. He did that on a lot of his bikes. He would label them. Every bike that we videoed for Roy that we put up for sale sold pretty much immediately. Most of them sold before they made it to eBay. So of the entire collection, there's one bike that didn't sell immediately, and it's the RV90 Suzuki. That's the only one. The rest of them just flew out the door. Because if you know anything about restorations, you understand that to restore a 50-year-old classic frame off like this, you're looking at a minimum of 120 hours of shop labor. And then, of course, the chrome plating is going to cost you a couple $1,000s. The paint, the supplies, thousands of dollars in parts. And you're looking at, a major 5-figure work order. Typical shop rate at $120 to $150 an hour. At even 100 hours, that's $12,000 to $15,000 just in labor. So can this bike be duplicated for what the buy it now price is going to be? Absolutely not, unless you do it yourself nights and weekends, or you want to work for free. This one's done. It's ready to take to any show or ride it down the street, bring it to the beach, ride it at Daytona. It has the passenger pegs on here, so if you wanted to take a ride around it, it's street legal. You can ride it on the street, and it needs nothing. It's ready to go. Unlike a new bike that'll depreciate, this one will continue to appreciate in value, as most classics do. Love the paint job, the dark blue with the what is it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shades of blue, and the stripe there with the white Harley logo. It's just a beautiful look. Look at the chrome plating on this pipe here. It's freaking beautiful. The engine was completely dismantled right down to the crankcases. The transmission was gone through. The clutch was gone through and replaced. Brand new cylinder bore with new piston and rings, new base gasket, new head gasket. The carb was completely rebuilt, as was the air box with a new air filter. The air box was beautifully restored. The exhaust system was sandblasted and painted beautifully. Look at the attention to detail here, where this instead of painting that black like most amateurs, well, that's the original unpainted steel piece pointing out the back of the muffler there. Hats off to Dr. Bill for another absolutely beautiful restoration. If you have any questions about it, give us a call, 860-454-7024. This one's absolutely a Mazam quality piece, and you won't find a nice one for sale anywhere on planet Earth today. I can guarantee you that. Thanks for watching, and God bless America.